Mist product that we use in our daily lives are given here. The first question, what type of ice cream that the Milky Mist wanted to make? The question hand over to Kami.
The Milky Mist can make ice cream named as chocolate. Double flavor from mixed cactus fruit. Its benefits are loss of weight, eyesight, improvement in eyesight. Cactus fruit's nutrients are variable. These variable nutrients contain antioxidants to protect cells. These antioxidants help to reduce triglycerides and bad cholesterol in your body. They are also able to reduce fat percentage and help you to lower risk of metabolic supplements.
What are the successful ice cream brands and the competitors of Milky Mist? Hand over to Varun.
The successful ice cream brands are Avinashi, Nestle, Amul, Arun and the Quality Walls. The main competitors for Milky Mist are Ibaco and Arun.
Third question, what are the ratio of ingredients used in this ice cream? Hand over to Varun.
Cactus fruits 5 fruits for 1 liter, sugar 160 to 260 gram for 1 liter, and heavy cream 250 ml for 1 liter, food color 5 grams for 1 liter, and liquid nitrogen 20% for 1 liter.
Should Milky Mist start this brand new outlet?
Yes, the Milky Mist wanted to open its brand new outlet because they can sell their own ice cream in their own shop. It will get them to gain the profit. The people can customize their own ice cream. So the Milky Mist wanted to open their brand new outlet in cities.
Should Milky Mist promote how Milky Mist should promote its ice cream? Can hand over to Kavinder.
The Milky Mist can promote their ice cream by advertisement and customized ice cream advertisement is an example of a customized ice cream. Not only this, they can make a review app about this ice cream model.
The person who's as full as cucumber, they can try our Mist Cat. Thank you.